All right, here we go again. We got another smoke alarm to test. This is a First Alert Model 770 LBX. Now, I knew who a YouTuber who also has this in their smoke alarm collection. I'm pretty sure some of you already know who I'm talking about. But anyways, this is what will be one of my first dual sensor smoke alarms. You can practically see the ionization sensor right there, and then the photoelectric sensors right here. Let's just get to the test now, because I'm getting a little impatient. So here we go. Now there is a second light that's supposed to be on here. It's a green light. I'm not sure why it's not switching on. It's right there if I see. I don't know if it's working or not. I don't know. I'll have to check it out. But anyways, thanks for watching. Vlogsky over and out.